Chalo. What is day today? 9 kada?
Yes, sir.
So, what is an equation of SHM beta? Y is equals to A into sin omega t if it is starting from origin.
Origin.
And if it is not starting from origin, Y is equals to A into
Plus
sin
phi.
omega t plus phi.
Phi.
Omega t plus phi is known as of your phase.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? At origin, phase is also called as initial phase or epoch.
Yes.
Isn't it? No. Velocity formula, V is equals to A omega into cos of your omega t. And acceleration formula is A is equals to minus of omega square into x, where x is A into your sin omega t plus phi or A into sin of your omega into t.
Yes.
Isn't it? Sure. So we have done one problem yesterday based on this one. Okay. Sure. Let me do one more problem based on this one better. Let's say, for example, the maximum speed. Take a paper and pen beta along with that one. You try to do it out. The maximum speed and acceleration. The maximum speed and acceleration of a particle executing SHM are 10 meter per second and 50 centimeter per second. Find the positions. Find the positions of the particle. Find the positions of the particle when speed is 8 centimeter per second. When speed is 8 centimeter per second.
So
Okay.
shall we convert one of the acceleration into like meters, sir, or centimeters?
Yeah, this one is 10 meter, na? This one is 50 centimeters.
Yes.
Isn't it? So you need to convert them basically. Isn't it?
Yes.
Otherwise, taking the two will be a big problem for me.
Yes.
Isn't it? Or else you try to convert, take both of them in terms of your what you call that one, centimeters only. ఇందుకు దీని కూడా సెంటీమీటర్స్ తీసుకున్నాం ఎందుకంటే మళ్ళీ పార్టికల్ ఇస్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటింగ్ SHM or this one, so I'll take this one is also equal to 10 centimeters. Okay, maximum speed and your acceleration of the particle executing SHM are right now for me your 10 centimeters part of relation and your 50 centimeters. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Sir, so here we have to find A, right, sir?
Yeah. We need to find out A. Tell me what will be the maximum speed formula beta? V max is equal to how much? A into omega.
Yes, sir.
That is given how much for me? 10.
10.
Then and a particle and the acceleration of the particle, the maximum speed and maximum acceleration. A maximum is how much beta? A maximum is equals to minus of your
Minus
omega square into your A.
Yes.
Minus indicates only direction beta, nothing to do with the calculation problem. That is
Yes.
equals to your 50. So this is my equation number 1 and this is my equation number 2.
Sir,
So
but,
divide both of them.
Sir, but
So what I will be getting?
Sir, the formula of acceleration would be minus omega square into x, right, sir? So
Into x, maximum displacement kada, maximum. At maximum position, maximum displacement will be equal to your A.
Okay, yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So divide second equation by your 1. So it is omega square into your A divided by your A into your omega. This one gets cancelled. Isn't it?
Square.
So omega square into your A part of relation will be getting cancelled in this one, right? So from this one omega and this square will also get cancelled. This one is your 50 divided by 10. So this one will get it cancelled. This is 5. And the omega value will be equal to how much beta? 5 radians per second.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So if omega is equals to 5, can I get the value of your A beta? V max
Yes.
is 10, that is equals to A. Omega is nothing but 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. That means amplitude will be equal to how much beta? 2 centimeters. So I got the value of your omega. I got the value of your A particulation. Now what is asking? Find the position of the particle when the speed is 8 centimeter per second. That means this formula. V is equals to your omega into under root of your A square minus at some position. That is nothing but x square. So what is the speed of the particle at the time? 8. Omega value is how much for me? 5 into under root of your A value is how much for me? 2. This one is 2 square minus of your x square. Okay. So this will become for me 8 is equals to 5 under root of 2 square is 4 minus of your x square. Okay. Square on both the sides. So this will become for me how much?
64, sir. 64.
This is 64. 5 5 is 25.
25.
Into this is 4 minus of your x square. So this will be 25 into 4 minus this is 25 into your x square. So this one is how much right now? 25 into 4.
100.
So this one is 100. This one is 64 minus your 25 into your x square. Okay. So if I'm taking this value here, how much I'm getting this one?
Minus 36. Sir.
Minus
will get minus 36.
Minus 36.
6.
That is
And
equals
here
to minus. Antena?
Both will get cancelled.
This both will get cancelled. So x square is equals to 36 divided by 25. That means x will be equal to how much? 6 by 5. Isn't it? So x will be equal to how much for me? Plus or minus. This will be how much?
So simplify, sir.
Yeah, 5 ones are 1. This will be 1 point. This will be 2. 1.2 centimeters.
Yes.
Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So that is a given condition. So question C once again, we got the maximum speed and we got the maximum acceleration. So it's asking the position of the particle when speed is 8 centimeter. Maximum speed is 10, but speed at some position is how much for me? 8 centimeter, lesser than of your maximum. What is that position at which the speed was equals to your how much? 8. That means at a position of 1.2 centimeter. It may be a positive amplitude or it may be a negative amplitude. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Next question. A particle executes SHM at x is equals to a into sine omega t plus of your phi. Omega t plus of your phi. At t is equals to 0. It is equals to 0. The position of the particle. The position of the particle is x is equals to root 3 into your a divided by 2. Okay. And it moves along positive x direction. And it moves along positive x direction. Positive x direction. Find number A, phase constant. Phase constant, that is nothing but phi. Number B, velocity at t is equals to pi by omega. And acceleration at t is equals to pi by omega. Okay, so this is your question. A particle executes simple harmonic motion at x is equals to a into sine omega t plus phi. At t is equals to 0, the position of the particle is x is equals to root 3 into a divided by 2. And it moves along the positive x direction. Find the phase constant phi, velocity at t is equals to pi by omega, and acceleration at t is equals to your pi by omega. Now tell me, what is the displacement in terms of your phi beta? We know the formula, x is equals to a into sine omega t plus phi. This is a standard formula.
Yes, sir.
Now what is asking? Phase constant. That is nothing but phi. At what position? T is equals to 0. A particle is executing the SHM at x is equals to a into sine omega t plus phi. And at t is equals to 0, the position of the particle is given for me. At t is equals to 0, x value is how much better? Root 3 into your a divided by 2. And it moves along the positive x direction. Find the phase constant. So you use this equation better. So this will become for me x value, if I am writing here, root 3 into your a divided by 2 is equals to, this one is nothing but of your a into your sine omega into t value is how much beta? 0 plus of your 5. So this a will get cancelled. So this one is your root 3 by 2 is equals to your sine of your 5. For what value of a sine is it root 3 by 2 beta?
60.
Yeah, it may be your sine 60 degrees or it may be your sine 120 degrees.
Yes.
That will be equal to your sine of your 5. Okay.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
What is the value of 5 beta?
So we should.
This sign and this sign will get cancelled. No?
Yes, sir.
This sign and this sign will get cancelled. So 5 will be either 60 degrees or 120 degrees. That's it. Okay. Now, what is asking velocity? Okay. At what position t is equals to your pi by omega? First, what you do is right now. So if I'm taking the t is equals to 0, I can get the value of your cos theta beta. What is the velocity formula? What is the velocity formula beta? V is equals to your a into your sine of your omega t plus phi is your x value. If I differentiate that one, I'll be getting the value of your phi.
Okay.
Isn't it? See, even in this one beta, see at t is equals to 0, can you tell me what will be the velocity beta? I'll write here itself. I'll do the next question after some time. At t is equals to 0, what is the formula? V is equals to a into your omega into your cos of your omega t plus of your phi. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
No. What is the velocity formula beta? V is equals to t is equals to 0. I can write V is equals to your a omega into your cos phi. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir. Because t is 0.
Yeah. So what is the value of your 5 years given beta?
You've got 60, sir.
Yeah.
120.
So we know that phi value is 60. So cos phi, that means phi is equals to okavela cos 60 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో. Cos 60 value is how much? 1 by 2. Or else if I take cos value is equals to cos 120 is how much beta? Minus of 1 by 2.
You should not take
Okay.
minus. That's right.
Yeah, we can't take the minus. So at t is equals to 0, phi value should be equal to 60 degrees. Then only I'll be getting velocity to be a positive. Otherwise, I'll be get velocity to be a negative.
Negative, yes.
Isn't it? But in the problem, he's telling the positive only kabatti will be taking the phi value 60 degrees, but not 120 degrees. Isn't it? Yes. Because if I take 120 degrees, we'll be getting the answer in terms of negative. Okay. Yes. Number B, if I'm doing right now. So what is number B, beta? What is number B is asking
velocity,
right now? Sir, velocity T is equals to pi by 2. Now write the velocity formula. V is equals to A into your omega into your cos of your omega T plus of your pi by 3. Isn't it? Now at position T is equals to pi by omega. X value will be equal to how much? X is equals to A into your sine omega into T. T value is how much for me? Pi by your omega plus of your pi by 3. So this omega will get cancelled. So this will be equal to your A into your sine. This is nothing but of your how much?
4 pi by 3.
4 pi by
3.
So 4 pi by 3 means how do you write beta?
into 4, 72 by 720 by 3, sir.
720 by your 3. That means that will become how much for me?
$240.
240. So sin 240 is positive or negative? In which coordinate it will be present?
Third quadrant.
Third
Fourth
quadrant. Third
quadrant.
quadrant sign value is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, no? So this will be your sine of your. So this will become for me minus of your sine of your. This will become for me pi by 3. So 4 pi by 3 value is similar to your pi by 3 beta. So that is the value of your velocity. So that will become how much for me? V is equals to minus of sine pi by 3 is nothing but root 3 by 2. So it is root 3 by 2 into your A. So this is your amplitude, sorry, velocity. So
Yes.
V is equal to how much I'm getting? Minus of your root 3 by 2 into your A part of relation. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So V is equal to A into your omega T. So T value is nothing but of your pi by 3. Isn't it? So this one is something like a cos of your T is equal to how much for me? Pi by omega. Okay. So this is the velocity. V is equal to how much for me, beta? Minus of your root 3 by 2 into your A part of relation. So that is the value of your what?
Velocity at
Sine level. Is it the velocity? This is the one which I have taken x. Na? T is equal to 0. This is your x part. So this will be
Yes.
your x.
So it's not V, sir. It's X.
It's not a V because V is in terms of your cos. Na?
Yes.
So this will be
Okay,
equal
we
to your
took wrong
x.
formula.
Yeah. So this is your x is equals to minus of your sine of your pi by your 3. That means this will be your minus of root 3a by your 2. So that is the value of x. But
Yes,
we
sir.
need
Now
the
we have to
value of
use this.
velocity property. V is equals to your a into your omega into your cos of your omega into your t plus of your pi by 3. Isn't it? So this will become how much for me? A into your omega into your cos omega t value is how much better? Pi by omega, na? Pi
Yes,
by
sir. Bye bye.
omega into your pi by 3. Isn't it?
Yes. Omega plus, right, sir? Sir, between pi by omega and pi by 3 plus, right, sir?
Mm. It is equals to your pi by omega. What is the value of x we got, beta? X is equals to minus of your 3 square into your a. So in this one, this omega is also getting cancelled. So this will become how much for me? A omega into your cos. Again, this will become for me how much? Is plus.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This one is plus. So pi plus pi by 3 is nothing but 4 pi
4
by
pi by
3. So 4 pi by 3 means this will be equal to your minus of your a omega into your cos of your pi by 3. Okay, velocity. Okay, so pi by 3 value అంటే ఎంత అవుతుంది 1 by 2 అంటే minus of your a into your omega by 2. So this will be the velocity. Okay, so that was about your velocity part. Now what is the next question I was asking? Acceleration. Acceleration at t is equals to your pi by your omega. Now tell me at t is equals to pi by omega. What is the displacement, beta? What is the displacement? Just now we
Sir,
got
pi by omega
x is
means
equal to minus of root 3a by 2. This is your displacement.
yeah,
So if
because
I'm
it's
writing
pi
that
by omega.
condition, numbers, yeah. What is the acceleration formula? A is equals to minus of omega square into your x, isn't it? At t is equals to your pi by omega. X value how much we got? Minus of your root 3 into your a divided by 2. So therefore, acceleration will become for me a is equals to your minus of omega square into x. X value is equals to root 3 into your a divided by 2. And this one is minus. This minus or minus will become for me plus. So this will be equal to root 3 omega square into your a divided by your 2. So this is your acceleration. So acceleration is A is equals to your omega square root 3 omega square into your A divided by your 2. So acceleration is what for me? Positive.
Yes.
Acceleration is right now for me or positive. That means if I'm taking the particle somewhere at T is equals to 0. Then this will be mean position beta. X is equals to 0. This will be the extreme position E1 on the left side, and this is your extreme position. It is equals to 2. Now you know that at T is equals to somewhere 0. The velocity is how much for me beta? Positive or negative? At T is equals to 0. At T is equals to 0. We got the value of your X to be at velocity to be a positive.
Yeah, it's positive, yes.
Isn't it? If it is positive means from origin, somewhere here if I am taking right now, it is equals to 0, velocity is being directed in this direction. That means from the mean position, this distance is X, how much right now for me? X is equals to root 3 into your A by 2. Now at T is equals to your pi by omega. T is equals to pi by omega. The displacement is also how much for me? Same. Now see here I got. At T is equals to your pi by omega also. The displacement is how much for me? Minus of root 3 A by 2. Minus means somewhere here, right? From here to here, from the mean position. This distance is also equal to your how much? Root 3 A by 2. At what time? T is equals to pi by omega. And at pi by omega, what is acceleration beta? Positive only. That means it is still going in this direction. So this will be your acceleration. Okay. So from here to here, this is known as of your amplitude A. And from here to here also, this is your amplitude. That is nothing but equal to your A. Clear?
Yes.
Isn't it? So we got the velocity of the particle. We got the time, what you call an acceleration of the particle. And we also got the position of the particle at which it is becoming for me your maxima or minima particle ratio. I hope you got a clarity about this one, beta.
Yes.
Pakka?
Yes.
Let me do one.
Can you show like starting inside this thing? Yes. Yes, sir, that way means that question. Next one. Yes.
దీంట్లో ఇది కూడా ఉంది మళ్ళీ.
Okay, sir. Sir, ఇంకా కిందికి స్క్రోల్ చేస్తే yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
సార్ నా వాయిస్ కొంచెం ఎక్కువ వస్తుందా సార్ లేకుంటే is it okay?
ఏనా
నా వాయిస్ ఎక్కువ వస్తుందా సార్ లేకుంటే is it okay?
లేదు చాలా మెల్లగా వస్తుంది.
My voice, sir,
is very low beta. Your voice is very low.
Okay, sir, I'll increase this time.
Okay, fine. Sure. Next question చూడండి. The xt graph of a particle undergoing SHM is shown. First of all, the acceleration of particle at t is equals to 4 by 3 seconds is So this is a graph given for me. This is your graph given for me, something like this. Okay. So this is the graph like this. Okay. This is your 0. This is your 1. And this one is your -1. This one is 4. This one is 8. And this one is your 12. This is your time given in seconds. And this is your x in centimeters. Okay. So I'll give the options for this one. So it is √3 divided by 32 into your pi square centimeter per second square. Second question is minus of your pi square divided by your 32 centimeter per second square. And the third one is pi square divided by 32 centimeter per second square. And fourth one is minus of your √3 divided by 32 into your pi square centimeter per your second square. Centimeter per your second square by definition.
So using the displacement formula, sir.
Yeah. See what I can do right now from that one. The xt graph of a particle that is undergoing an SHM is shown. The acceleration of the particle at t is equals to 4/3 seconds is asking. Okay.
Yes.
So now t x is equals 0. The particle is at origin bit, isn't it? So x is equals
Yes,
to
sir.
0. Isn't it? X is equals to your 0. So what is an equation of an SHM beta? X is equals to a into your sine omega t plus of your 5. General equation.
Yes.
Now you know that at t is equals to 0, that is your origin. X is equals to 0. Phi value is also 0.
0, yes.
Isn't it? Phi value is also 0 part deflation. And one complete time period is how much better? From here to here, this is one complete cycle. This positive, this negative is known as one complete cycle. So time period is 8 seconds. So capital T will be equal to your 8 seconds. So omega will be equal to how much better? 2 pi by your capital T. So that is equals to 2 pi by T is equals to your 8. So this will become for me pi by 4 radians per second. Okay. And the acceleration of the particle is given how much beta? The acceleration of the particle at t is equals to your 4/3 will be equal to your how much? Okay. So what will be the acceleration? Can you tell me? So acceleration will become how much for me? Amplitude is how much for me here? What is an amplitude? This one is amplitude. No? A.
Yes, sir.
A is nothing but 1. Negative amplitude is -1.
-1.
Now tell me what is an acceleration at t is equals to 0? At t is equals to 0, acceleration of the particle is?
Sir, it is 0 only, no, sir.
Acceleration will be your 0 only because at mean position, the velocity of the particle will be your maximum.
Yes.
Isn't it? So x value is how much for me? Your 0. So acceleration is also your 0. But t is equals to 8 seconds. Omega value is how much for me? Pi by 4 radians per your second. So acceleration will be equal to how much right now for that one. So x is equals to your a into sine omega into t. Okay. So let me talk about your x coordinate. So we know the relation x is equals to a into sine. This one is omega into t. It is very clear right now. The phi value is nothing but if you're equal to how much? 0. So at t is equals to 4/3 seconds. X value is how much? X is equals to a into sine. Omega value how much we got right now? Pi by 4 into your t. T value is how much for me beta? 4/3. So this one and this one will get cancelled. So x is equals to how much beta? A into your sine pi by 3. Sine pi by 3 is nothing but equal to how much beta? A into your maximum amplitude of that one will be equal to how much for me? 1. So it is sine pi by 3 value is how much? Can you tell me? √3 divided by 2. So x value will be equal to √3 divided by 2 because amplitude is equal to how much for me? 1.
Okay, 1.
1, na? Maximum
Yes,
amplitude of this is equal to your 1 part deflation basically, isn't it? So x will be equal to how much for me beta? T is equals to 4/3 seconds. X is equals to your how much for me? √3 by your 2 part deflation. Okay, na?
Yes.
Isn't it? You can also get amplitude from this given condition, beta. Amplitude will be equal to your x value is 0, a into sine omega t plus of your phi. T is equals to your 0. This value is how much for me? 0 plus of your phi. So sine phi is equals to your 1 by a. Phi value how much he has given right now for me? 0. Omega value is equals to how much for me? Pi by 4. Isn't it? So amplitude is equals to how much for me? Or 1. So x value is how much for me? Or root 3 by your 2. Once I know the value of your x, can I get an acceleration beta? A is equals
Yes.
to minus of your omega square into your x.
Correct.
That is equals to minus omega value is how much we got? Pi by 4. This one is your whole square into x. X value is how much for me? Root 3 by 2. So this will become for me pi square into root 3 divided by 4 square is 16. 16 into 2. This one is minus. So the answer is root 3 into
Sir,
your
but
pi
we
square.
got, means we have, for direction we have to keep like minus for sure.
Yeah, minus sure we need to keep it out. Because acceleration is always negative, na? It should always be directed towards the center. Okay. So this one is 16 to the 32. So if it is getting n beta, you can rejoin in 10 second beta. So the
Yes.
answer is minus of your root 3 into pi square divided by 32 centimeter per second square is your answer. So that is about your amplitude. So which option you can write in this one beta? A is equals to your minus of your
Fourth one.
root 3 by 32 pi square centimeter per your second square will be the answer for that. Is it
Yes.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Very, very important relation.
Sir, is it okay now, sir? My voice.
Yeah, is fine right now. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Let us try to go for the next question now. Say, for example, a particle is vibrating. A particle is vibrating in simple harmonic motion. If its velocities are v1 and your v2, v1 and your v2, when the displacements of the particle, when the displacement from the mean position, the displacements from the mean position are y1 and y2, y1 and y2 respectively, then its time period is, dash. First option is 2 pi under root of your, this one is y1 square plus y2 square divided by v1 square plus v2 square. Second option is 2 pi under root of your v1 square plus v2 square divided by y1 square plus y2 square. And third option is 2 pi under root of, this one is v1 square minus of your v2 square divided by y1 square minus y2 square. And fourth option is 2 pi under root of your y1 square minus of your y2 square divided by v1 square minus of your v2 square. So what is the condition there, beta? You see, a particle is vibrating in a simple harmonic motion if its velocities are v1 and v2. When the displacements from the mean positions are y1 and y2 respectively, then its time period will be equal to your how much? Then its time period will be equal to your how much part of relation. So he has given me the answer in terms of y1 and y2 and in terms of v1 and v2. This is the data he has given for me. Velocities are v1 and v2 and positions are right now for me y1 and as well as of your y2 part of relation. Can you try it, beta? Now tell me what is the velocity in terms of your omega 1 in terms of your x beta? V1 is equals to your omega under root of your amplitude of this one is nothing but of your a square minus of your y1 square. Can I write like that?
Yes.
Correct. I'll just stop it and rejoin beta.
Okay, sir.
Okay.